Hi guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm in Brussels, Belgium. But today I'm out with Camille! It's cold! It's actually snowing a bit earlier. We are long distance best friends. So we met up here and it's so cold. It's -3, I believe. We are now in our hotel room. We're only staying a night, but it looks like a one-night hotel room. So we ordered a small bed, but they pushed it together. So I guess we'll be sleeping extra close. Now we're in the city center, I believe, but I think we are a bit confused on how the metro works. We used it earlier today, maybe 1 or 2 times, and it was fine. But this station, we tapped in, but is it tapping and paying again twice as you leave? Now we're at the Grand Palace, and oh my goodness, in the square, every building that you see is just so beautiful. There are free walking tours in the square, so we just signed up and we're joining. Ooh, another thing before our walking tour, there is a huge pile of potatoes. Not sure if it's free. I mean, everyone is going up to take them, so I assume it's free. Update on the walking tour. We actually left. It wasn't as compelling or interesting as we thought it would be. So now we're doing our continued exploring on our own. Also, obviously, you guys probably know Belgian chocolates, but literally every few steps, there's a chocolate shop everywhere. We're shopping around, and in one of the stores, a girl comes up and asks if we want a cappuccino for free. So we took one cappuccino, but we split it into little cups, and it was so good. She was so nice. Now we are looking for Belgian fries, because when in Belgium, one should try the Belgian fries. So earlier, we actually walked past a shop that had a super long line for fries, so we're going to try it out and see if it's worth the hype. We'll find out. There was no line when we got the fries. Camille got a curry ketchup, and I got a joppy, with it has curry and mayonnaise and herbs in it. And onions? Oh yeah, an onion. Cheers.
I like how thick they are.
This place is called Friedland. Now we are looking for bars for a drink. Now we're back in the hotel. After drinks, we had dinner at a Thai restaurant because the restaurant that we were going to for vegan slash vegetarian options was not available. So that was the last thing available was Thai food. But I'm going to end the day here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning from another day in Brussels. It is so cold today, below freezing, and it's still very dark. And right now we are on our way to get some coffee and brekkie. We just had some yummy brekkie. Honestly, I think we both found out that people in Belgium are quite nice.
Oh, nice. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, because everywhere that we went, if there was a mistake or just like, for example, the girl who offered us a cappuccino as well, they're just so nice and friendly. But now we are in the galleries looking for some chocolate. We got chocolate from Nihaus. We chose here because our hotel receptionist guy suggested it. Camille and I ended up going to a matcha cafe called Cage. It's quite nice and the interior is so beautiful, but she left me because she is on her way to Antwerp, and I have about maybe roughly 2 more hours before I go back to Copenhagen, and I'm going to buy Belgian waffles. Oh my goodness, I didn't realize how much it is or how big it is. I got a strawberry and banana with the white chocolate waffle. I like it. So that concludes my 30-ish hours in Brussels, Belgium. I am heading back home now, but if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!